Dun-dun. Hey guys, welcome smartphone fan, and today we have the new Redmi Harry Potter special edition smartphone for you. And this time we have the Redmi Turbo4Pro. So this is the new and the newest model from Redmi. And this time I'm really excited to have a quick hands-on and unboxing video about this device. So this time we have the Redmi Turbo4Pro 60GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition. Okay, so this is the classical element from Harry Potter. And next, let's remove the box cover and check what's inside the box. So this time for the Harry Potter special edition, they have a different design box. It's not like the traditional design, it's like a foldable box. And after we open it, okay, we have two parts. So this is the bottom part, is a card, Expecto Patronum. So Harry Potter cast the spell Expecto Patronum to protect himself from the Dementors. This is the card, and here is the red box. It's also very classical element from Harry Potter, and they use it as a SIM card ejector, and also to put the actors line. So every great wizard in history has started out as nothing more than what we are now, student. If they cannot do it, why not ours? Okay, so let's open it. And inside the red small package, okay, here, okay, inside the red small package, here's another Harry Potter Redmi Turbo4Pro poster, and here we have 3 stickers. Okay, all of them are the classical element we can check from the movie, but the images like a bit similar to the AI generated picture. And here I think it's the safety information and warranty card, but also yes, they use the Harry Potter element. So it's a deep customized special edition phone. And here is the case. Nice. It's not like the traditional phones. It's not the transparent plastic case, but it's a well designed and also the nice feeling comfortable case. It's not plastic, it's kind of leather and looks very nice and decent and feels comfortable. And so after we check the accessories, and before we check the smartphones, we can check other stuff inside the box. This is the cable. It's just a Type-C to USB-A cable. Okay, so this is a cable. And this time for the phone is have a built-in big battery, 7550 mAh battery with a 90-watt fast charging and 22.5-watt reverse wireless charging. So this is it's a bit surprised me for this reverse fast charging. And also it's a charger. Even the charger, they have a Harry Potter logo on it. And okay, let's get it. Peel the charger protector, and yes, check the charger. So this is the charger. Okay, nice. So this is the main stuff inside the box: the user manual, the cable, charger, sticker, poster, SIM card ejector. So all the stuff inside the box. And I think next, okay, we will check the smartphone, today's highlight. Yes, so let's light, and then okay, we check the smartphone. Whoa, cannot wait to check it. 5 1 2 3 4 5, yes. smartphone with a menu poster, SIM card retractor, sticker, case, and box. All of them are well designed, and the Harry Potter element are well implemented in this all the old part. Very nice. And so, okay, let's get the phone from the smartphone protector. Whoa, so finally the phone is in front of us, and remove the label first. Okay. Whoa, so as we can see, it features a diagonally cutting camera module with high gloss accent for magic texture. Yeah, we can find the special of the camera zone, and also the back panel showcase the floating characters still hold, enhanced by embossed 3D craftsmanship for striking recognition. And the rear shell adopts a red and blue scheme, incorporating a naked eye 3D character still hold at the bottom. So this is a special technology from Xiaomi, and I think all the design exudes a mystical vibe. Okay, let's go to the front side and check and change the language to English, and so we can get more information about the device. Yeah, this time they used the 6.83-inch straight screen, 1.5K display resolution, and it supports a 120Hz refresh rate. And we can check the dimensions also of the phone's width 77.93 and length 163.1, and the thickness 7.98 mm, and the weight just 100 to 219 gram. Okay, it's very nice. And this is the front side, and even the UI and the icon are all deep customized. And we can go to the settings to check the more information. And so this time they used a Snapdragon 8 generation 4 processor. It's a Snapdragon 8S actually, and the Antutu score reached to 2.4 million, and it's the maximum 3.2 GHz. Okay, yes, so this is HyperOS 2.0. And also we can go to settings to check the display. I think the screen information that I already mentioned is used 120Hz refresh rate, but it also supported 2 degrees 60 and 122 degrees for the refresh rate. Yes, this is the wallpaper, also customized, and it's pre-installed dynamic character wallpapers with a fully redesigned Hogwarts style icon system, and also the magic rip animation for charge effect as well, and enchanting magical atmosphere when unlocking or opening apps as well. The lock screen features the Hogwarts Express as the platform with luminous lighting effect when taking screenshots as well. And also we can go to the camera part to take a very simple camera test of the Redmi Turbo4Pro, because this time they used a 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide angle, and also the front camera is 20 megapixel. Okay, let's put fish Toyo, and we can check the camera performance of the device. It's supposed to, wide angle, zoom, wide angle, and also 2 times. It's maximum 10 times zoom. Okay, we can find the words on the label is clean, and front side also support normal and also the wide angle. So I will put the sample pictures at the end of the video so you can check the images quality and sample pictures of the Redmi Turbo4Pro. Okay, so for the front, I think it's also not so clean because cannot see the words in my phone, but for the real cameras it's much better. You can see the words on the label cleanly, surface clean only. Yes, and even the normal 2 times, the 10 times. But for the normal mode, it's not so clean. Okay, so this is the very quick sample, the image camera test. Yes. Okay, so this is the quick camera test. Okay, yes, I will have an outdoor camera test later. And first, let's check the sample pictures of the indoor camera test. Zoom 10 times. Front wide angle.
Harry Potter. Redmi
Okay, hi guys. Now we
Turbo4Pro
go outside
special
and I
edition
will have another
camera test.
specific and the details on the camera test.
This is camera
Now it's
zoom.
on the natural light. As we can see, is the shining part and looks more beautiful and distinctive when we use this outdoor. And also the camera module is unique, beveled and adorned with an intricate character still inside. If we use it outdoor and with natural light. So here is the outdoor camera test. I will show some trees and the buildings, tall buildings, and test the camera again. So this 10 time. Yeah. And it's running outside, and I also want to mention this time for this device is support IP68 and IP69K waterproof, and it's also use the mental frame. Let's say again. And also I will have a video test. Let's support 60 FPS 1080 for the video. Okay, and let's walk around, check if it can shoot the stable video, and zoom and move quickly from trees to rows, and I think we can get some details. So this time for the camera part is not so good, not like the flagship ones, but also it can meet. I think it can meet if you are not so okay. So want a high specification ones. If just want to a middle or low end products, I think this product is can meet your need. And for some students, they really like the IP products. I think especially if you are Harry Potter fans, I think this is a nice product for you. And this will makes you different if you take this outside, and you can show your characters and your things. Yeah, this is the outdoor test, and also we have a check of the video quality. This is the video quality. Okay, yes, zoom. I think it's not so not very good, but it's okay. Okay. When we switch from the zoom to the normal, or switch from different zoom, it's not so natural. I think this can be improved. This is the building, top building. Not so clean as we can find, but also we can find the water drop on the leaves. It's okay. Okay, finally we can check the sample pictures, and at the end of the video I will also show you the beautiful pictures of the smartphone. So this is today's main content. Hope you like my video. Let's stay tuned waiting for more gadget from here. Bye bye. Let's enjoy the pictures.